Welcome to Bottom Thumpers. Past couple days it's been high 30s, low 40s, so a lot of our waterways have opened up. So we decided to come to a bridge that we've hit before, except we're going to do the other side today. Usually, or the last couple times, we've been over there on that side. So today we're going to hit this side right here. All right, let's get our magnets in the water and see what we can do. All right, we're ready to start throwing some magnets. Today I'm using my 1,500-pound single-sided magnet from Brute Magnetics. He's using his 1,200-pound single-sided magnet from Brute Magnetics. All right, let's see what we can do. Kerplunk. Feels like I've got something on my first throw, do I? Let's get it up here and see if I've got anything. On my first throw for today, oh, I got some nails and some yellow twisted wire. All right.
Oh yeah, I got me a leaf.
All right. Let's pull the magnet up and see what I've got. And on this throw, a bunch of nails again. All right. Plunk.
Belly flop.
Hit.
What's I got?
What you got? Ah, got some braided wire. All right. Okay, let's bring it up, see what I've got. Feels like there's a little bit of weight on there. Yeah. All right, what we got here? Huh. Old gusset maybe? All right. And some more nails. What do you got? Oh, looks like the bottom part of a can.
Or a top. It's the top.
Oh, yep. I bet you that's the top part of an old can.
Yep.
All right. Let's pull it in and see what's on my magnet. Oh, yeah. Got some rebar. And a nut with a screw in it. All right, and some more nails. All right, let's pull it up and see if I've got anything. On that throw, I got an electrode for welding and a couple nails and a piece of metal. All right. YouTube channel, Bottom Thumpers.
I'll go back across the street. That's good.
Yep. Okay. I'm pulling something with a little bit of weight on it. All right. Let's get it up here and see what it is. Come on. Yeah, what is that? Yeah. All right. Look at that. Huh. Not sure what it went to, but we'll call it an H bracket. Yeah. Kerplunk. All right, let's get it up here and see if there's anything on it. Oh, and some more nails. All right. Kerplunk. All right. Let's pull it up and see what's there. Ain't get anything this time? Let's see. On this one, oh, got a little hunk of nugget steel. All right. And yellow piece of wire. Alright, let's pull it up and see if there's anything on it. And some more nails. Alright. Come on. Alright. Let's pull it up and see if there's anything on it. And more nails. All right. Woohoo. Okay, guys. Not getting a whole lot over on this side, so I think we're going to go back over there. We're going to join him, see if we can get anything over there. What you got?
I don't know where it is yet, but it's big. Need your help.
It's moving?
Yeah.
All right.
Oh, from there over there.
Okay.
It's not like that. What is that?
Here, hold that right there like that.
Yep.
I'm going to go get the hook.
Yeah.
As soon as the traffic goes by.
Oh, it's a bite. I can tell.
Let's get the hook on it. Ha! And I miss.
Oh.
All right, I'm on it. Okay. Oh, oh boy. There's 2 bites there. Ugh. Oh, there goes one.
Get that.
Whew. All right. He got a bite. Look at that. Woo. He got a bike. All right. Now he's gonna see if he can't find that second bike that fell off of it. All right, I'm gonna get my magnet down there and help him find that other bike. It's right down here somewhere. Oh, that current. A little bit of a current here. Taking the magnet further downstream than I wanted. Grab the hook. I've got it.
Yeah.
Yep, I've got it. Whoa. Well, you got it with the hook. You can bring it up.
Oh, it's getting stuck right here.
Right, yeah.
Yeah.
And we got his second one. All right. Yeah. Bike number 2. Oh, yeah.
That's right.
Good luck. All right, let's pull it up and see if I've got anything. And not sure what it is. Okay, and a nail. Okay guys, I'm gonna make one more throw. Kerplunk. Let's bring it up, see if I've got anything on my last throw. And on my last throw, I got a nail. All right. Okay guys, we're gonna clean up our mess and we're gonna get out of here for the day. All right, we'll see you back at the truck. Okay guys, we're back in the truck. Let's see what we got for today. Today, I got an H bracket. Or, is it an I bracket? H bracket. Okay, H bracket, I bracket. And then, out of my bucket, I got a gusset, piece of rebar, and you know, this twisted piece of something metal, and a bunch of nails and stuff in there, a whole bunch of nails. Then my cousin, out of his bucket, he's got a piece of braided wire, tacked to an old can, and just a couple nails. And then, big find of the day, he got 2 bikes. 2 more bikes off of this bridge. I think that is a total of 11 bikes between the 2 of us off of this bridge from the same side. So yeah, this is a bike dumping ground, I guess. Okay. Okay guys, like I said at the beginning of the video, past couple days it's been high 30s, low 40s, so a lot of the waterways around here, you know, thawed out a little bit, you know, some of the ice melted, so there's more open water that we're able to hit, and it should keep getting warmer from here on out, so it's looking promising. All right, we hope you enjoyed this video. We'll see you next time.